Alright, here we go with a cold start on the old diesel Kubota. Earlier you saw me changing the fuel filter because it was nasty. It's full of water and biomass or whatever. As you can tell, I haven't started it today, but to fix the problem, the fuel filter change did help. However, it only helped 50%, so it started twice as better, but still I needed to crank on it a couple times and then it died, blah, blah, blah. But as you can see, I haven't warmed it up or anything, and it's below freezing. And now, normally it would take 3 to 5 starts before, but now it should start up right away. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. It would never even think about doing that. And how did I solve it? Well, what it needs is some Diesel Klean. I extracted all the fluids from the tank. By the way, to have a good tank extractor at Harbor Freight, one of the few things that Harbor Freight is good for is disposable tools. And $10 double D batteries, and you can pump the fluid out. So I pumped the fluid out of the tank and put in I got a bottle of half a gallon of Diesel Klean, dumped that straight in after I extracted the fluids, and then ran that until it ran out of gas. And then the other half of the bottle, which is another quart left, I mixed that with another quart of gas, poured half and half in there, and drove to this gas station and filled it up. By the time I did all that and burned up a little bit of gas, it runs like a baby. So yeah, there you go, Diesel Klean, just like my previous videos from many years ago. Diesel Klean will hook you up. Ran it straight through.